go out.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Can you
another
shout
episode.
me out
And
now?
today we're playing something different. Airsoft FE. Me and Logan used to play this a lot a while back. And I just
Bro,
got the Nexus. I'm not even lying, I got the Nexus.
what's a Nexus?
It's a weapon skin for the basic AR, so I'm not gonna be using it. And so I have the
I'm
ACR
playing
for
this
the
game.
expensive. Please join. Please.
Sure.
I'm going to punch you 4 million
Also, tell me
times.
when you get the Robux.
Okay. Ah, that's a grenade. I did not like that. Wait, how? Oh, I just wasted my only grenade.
Yo, what team are you on, by the way?
I'm on blue. You?
Okay.
You on blue?
I'm on red. Dang.
Dang it.
Better look next time. Also, how do I switch weapons? Oh, it's Y.
Wait, you can switch? Oh. Not real. Oh, you just brutally
I got hard
demolished my
point. I got hard point.
existence. Nope, you get violated. Get it, the grenade.
I guess it's star, bro.
Get absolutely.
Need out!
How do you crouch? How do you crouch out there? Okay, what? This guy hit me through the wall! Just shoot.
Okay.
Sweetie.
Loadout. I'm gonna switch to. What should I do? I got $1,000.
Here you go. Here you go.
I always come back.
No, but you never come back.
Guys,
Oh!
can you rate my impression of a spring trap?
I always come back. If it's good, like, and if it's bad, subscribe.
Yeah, that's how you rate it. No way.
Oh, Jalen, also, guess what?
What?
On my YouTube channel, my most viewed video is my first video.
How many
It has
views?
like 16 views, I think. I
Hey,
have not checked yet.
I
always come back.
You never come
Yo, I think my little cub joined, or my little bruh.
back. Brother?
Yeah, my
Brother?
little brother. Or
Oh my god, how?
bonus brother.
This guy's actually
No,
a
he
hacker. My
didn't
grenade
join.
literally blew up on him, and he was fine.
I always come back.
Okay, my grenade just doesn't explode, I guess. I shot in his face.
On in love with me.
Okay, this guy actually hacking. I'm going to throw him through a brick wall. I'm
didding the ditty of Diddy.
No!
Hi.
Do I have any of my facial accessories on? Because you don't.
Yeah.
You absolutely don't. Hardpoint Village. Hardpoint Warehouse is impossible. What team are you on? I'm a red.
Rangers. Kill yourself? Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Yo,
here, I'll go to menu.
switch teams.
I'm
I'm switching.
did not get that thing.
Oh, I'm trying. I'm gonna like get myself in a predicament where I'm about to die, bro.
Team switch. I just switched teams. I'm blue now. You're on my team.
Good boy.
Mate just got a grenade in his face. So where are you? Oh, I saw you just get absolutely demolished.
Bombastic.
I'm gonna start blowing people up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing.
Blow the ditties up.
Bro, get in here, get in here, get in.
Let's be my tiny ditty.
Get in the hard point, get in the hard point. Hold the hard point. Hold in the
I
hard
got
point.
you.
Hold in the hard point. Then. No, they've taken the hard
I'm not
point.
holding hard point.
You little monster. You're a monster.
I'm getting a enemy team from like around the hard point.
Oh no, I just wasted my own grenade.
Grenade!
Hold on,
Bro, how did that not hit them, bro? Jay. bro.
Squidward!
Mosquito.
That's illegal!
Bro,
I'm suing
Chacho.
Squidward. I'm suing Squidward. Hello, Squidward cheeseburger. I'm going to start violating your
I steal
team.
cheese. Can't catch me.
Bro.
Hee 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 hee
Oh, we
hee.
actually gotta lock in. Lock in, Logan. Lock in. Flank them. Flank them from the opposite side they're meant to be on. Flank them. Oh, we got a flanker. We got a flanker.
Bro,
Flank
bro
them.
just caught me as
Flank.
clueless
Okay,
as
bro.
ever.
I can't even move. Flank their lives away. Okay, bro. Yeah, that's my only.
And
I'm taking hard point. Help me. Help me with the hard point.
bro, this PJ girl is actually
Help me
hacking.
with hard point. Why did I get no backup? Nobody helped me with hard point. Absolutely nobody.
Bro, so many people on their team are hacking.
Bro, help me with hard point.
I'm trying, but people are hacking.
Like, I'm the only one that actually goes into hard. And we got
I'm
a flanker
trying.
that's flanking from across the universe. Okay, how did all of our grenades miss?
Dead.
Okay, how do you shoot a wall? Hello?
Yo, I'm flanking.
Flank their
I'm fun to
flanking
try
of
to, bro.
flanks.
Bro, how does he exactly know where I am?
Why do we
Like-
only get the bad team? Why are we only on the bad team? Like, I'm not even lying. I've only gotten the bad team. No,
And
I'm gonna
I didn't
switch
switch.
too. I'm switching. No, I can't switch. I'm just gonna have to lock in.
Hackers.
I'm trying to team switch. Can't team switch, bro. This is actually stupid. This is impossible. They have every good person on. Every person
Yeah, and then
with
this
a good gun.
sim girly is hacking.
Like, everybody has good. Everybody that's good
I'm
is
hitting
on their
them.
team. Except
What?
for me and you, everybody is on their team. I shot you 5 times. I'm going to punch a hole through you. Okay, how does that not go through the window? I aimed directly. I'm in! I'm in! Hold hard point! Hold hard point! Hold it! Right! Right, there's an ACR girl! Logan, please! Please!
Yo, I was holding it. I was holding it.
Why does I go above my rocket? They're dead? Okay, this guy got
Yo,
shot in the face!
yo. ACR is broken. Jobs. I hit that guy about 2 or 3 times. Sim girly, reporter.
No, I'm not reporting. I'll just chuck a grenade. Finally, a grenade actually killed. I just killed all of them. No, the stupid bacon girl is camping by a window. I'm gonna go flank that window and kill her.
Bro,
Okay, how? How do you hit me from a team? My team was blocking me. Okay, where are you? Okay, apparently everybody is everywhere. Everybody's everywhere.
Okay, he's killing me with a pistol.
Okay, apparently everybody's everywhere. They've got every point covered.
Everybody.
Why do we never get a good team? Honestly, we never get a good team.
Yeah, we should at least.
Hardpoint boskage. Hardpoint boskage.
Yeah, because I'm
Who
gonna
said
start
hardpoint
sniping.
boskage? Oh no. Okay.
Load
what
out?
team are you on? I'm on blue. I'm on blue.
I don't know. Hopefully, I'm on blue because I'm switching
Check.
primary.
Okay.
All right. Back.
We've got good people. We
Deploy.
actually have good people.
Oh, I'm on setting.
Okay, try to run to blue.
Yo.
Yo, I'm switching.
Switched.
I can switch. Oh, yes, you're on my team. Hello, I see you. Here, I'm gonna change my loadout as well. Loadout. Devo. The devil. Yo, no. I'm going in one.
Someone has minigun, by the way.
Okay, that doesn't bother me.
Bro, guess how many kills I have? Or, well, I
I'm
don't
gonna
even know
start
how many
sniping
kills.
hardpoint. I'm gonna start sniping at hardpoint. If
Yo,
I see
if
a
you come
soul,
up to me.
if
Oh,
I see
yeah,
a
you're
soul
right
at
there.
hardpoint that's not on our team. Oh, I just killed someone.
W's. W's in the comments for Jalen, bro.
I can't see because of the stupid tree. I'm moving. I can't see because of the tree. You're dead? I
Nice,
just
bro.
took his head off.
I know you. I know you, man. Fat
Okay,
E
Al.
in my way.
I'll shot you 3 times in the
Trees.
face.
3 times in the frontal lobe.
Yo, I'm
They
invading their
didn't
spawn.
die.
I'm literally invading the spawn.
I was invading their spawn. You're at our
Wait,
spawn.
why? No, this is where red team was spawning just a second ago. Shoot, they've got hard point. Die. Dang it, I'm dead. Someone's got a musket, bro. How is a musket any good? I'm gonna start sniping hard point.
There's a star.
We just took hard point. Good. I'm covered by a
I'm
massive
eating
wall.
my grenade over there.
Okay, this guy's actually. I'm going to throw a wall. I'm gonna throw a wall at his face.
I'm level 24, bro.
Bro, his face at a wall and his wall at a face.
What?
I'm gonna throw his face at a wall and a wall at his face. Okay, hello? Okay, they just get deleted when they get near her. Apparently, if your airsoft BB travels too far, it just deletes out of existence. Shoot, they've taken hard. They've taken hard from us. No, we're going to beat them. We're going to beat them up. How are you in our area? Bro, there's a guy in camping our spawn from a house. Okay, how do you hit me, sir? Oh, I'm actually gonna start.
Whoa. Yo, we got hackers on their team, I think.
No, they've got hacker. Okay, what is this game? Apparently, our spawn's eternally compromised because there's a big up there who's invincible, even though I shot him with a whole pistol mag. Oh, he's dead.
Yes, got him.
Finally. The bacon's
I got him,
finally dead. They're spraying spawn. They're spraying spawn. I'm sniping spawn.
Hold on.
Okay, how do you hit me from across the entire map? Okay, what was that? What was that? I just got hit out of air. Thin air. I was.
Bro, imagine I get the minigun.
Cover.
Aw, I got
This
400
guy actually
XP.
can shoot through walls. We got a guy on the opposing team who can shoot through walls.
Dang, that's crazy, bro. Could never be me.
Popeye's biscuit can shoot through walls. I'm not even lying. Popeye's
biscuit.
Popeye's biscuit.
I like
It's
biscuit.
literally Popeye's biscuit. He can shoot through
Okay.
the entire wall. Like, how do you hit that range?
I don't know why people hack.
I'm switching. I literally physically forced to switch. Where's my ACR? Give me my stupid ACR.
Give me my scar, bro.
I'm just spraying. Dead. Just spray this
Grenade
spawn.
out!
Apparently I'm getting more luck at killing from just spraying spawn than actually trying to kill with a sniper. I'm just violating. Okay, Popeye's biscuit, you need to get banned. Okay, that's a grenade. I'm gonna throw a grenade to cover
I
you,
like
Logan. You're
biscuits
dead.
from Gawk Eyes.
Popeye!
Oh,
I'm
Popeye
gonna
50.
I'm gonna.
You're dead, buddy.
This is what
Whoa!
I about
Whoa, direct hit with an RPG. Whoa! Seems like aimbot to me.
Okay, how do you hit me from across the entire map and through a wall? I don't understand.
Whoa! I know.
What? It
Right.
ricocheted off a tree. How does that go through? I'm tired of Popeye's biscuit existing. I finally killed Popeye's biscuit. Oh my god. We've got 2 wall hackers. We literally have 2. Okay, you can just apparently you have free cam. You have free cam.
How do you activate it?
I don't know. He just has free cam, so he sees where we are, has an air strike or something. Some weird sorcery.
Oh,
This is actually annoying. New
yo,
serve.
we
I'm getting a new
almost
serve.
won though.
No, I'm
We
getting a new
almost
serve.
won.
I don't care. I'm getting a new serve.
Yeah,
Tell
I
me
would
once you've
get
left.
a new serve too,
Tell
bro.
me once you've left.
I've left.
Okay,
I've
I'm just
left.
joining a random
Holler.
server. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully Popeye's not in this server. Like, honestly, that was such a good one. Okay,
Yo, what?
I don't even know what
Summit.
team I'm on.
It's an FFA.
Oh, of course it's an FFA, bruh. Yo, want a team in the FFA?
Yeah.
Try to head to the least suspicious spawn, like the edge of the map. Like, try to find me, honestly. Just walk around the edge of the map. Just walk around the edge of the map. Okay, I'm going to start beating people up. I'm in the mid. I'm in the mid.
JJ.
I just got violated. Even though this guy. Oh my god. Where are you?
No. I'm in that house that you were like in.
Okay, I shot that guy's arm like 400 times and he still didn't die. Hello, what is that guy's hitbox? Okay, apparently I'm dead because 3 people just spawned in the building. They all had spawn protection. And they all shot at me.
Bro, I'm getting
Out
like,
around the edge of the map.
quadruple the Duco game.
Okay, I'm just gonna ignore you. You come up the stairs, you're dead.
Hold on.
I'm in mid. Try to get to mid. I'm in mid.
I'm dying, bro. Like, what the freaking Sigma boy?
I'm going to start punching people through the wall.
I killed a Wayboy, by the way.
Yeah, I saw that in chat. How do you believe me? How do I believe you that you are somehow able to shoot me when I have the worst hitbox in all of the planet and you have a hitbox of 0?
That was you.
Yeah, and then someone tagged you immediately. But where are you? Just search every building you can find for your spawn. And I'll probably be one of those.
JJ!
I'm going to start blowing the planet up. Just oh, there you
I got
are.
9. How
There
many did
you
you
are. 9 as well.
get?
TDM hardpoint boskage. Hardpoint boskage.
Boskage.
Never mind. It's hardpoint warehouse. The worst map on the planet.
I'm on blue too. Yay!
I don't know what team you're on.
I'm on blue.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm on blue as well.
Dead, I think.
Oh, okay. Well, since we have the worst spawn in the entirety of this game, we are going to lose. And of course, all the good people on their team on red. Apparently, we've claimed red spawn. Yo, we just claimed red spawn. Now we're actually cracked. We just got such a cracked spawn.
What?
Never mind. They've claimed spawn back. I'm actually gonna start blowing the planet to smithereens. They're gone. Oh no, grenade. There's no one there. There's no one there. Oh shoot, he just came from there.
Get him.
I killed him.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I killed him.
Let's go, bro. Keep
Oh, come on.
holding. I protect.
I saw someone. Nope, I'm dead. I'm dead. Get it. Good boy.
Okay.
Someone's trying to get sniper pad. Dead. Someone's over there by the ladder. Dead. Hold the thing. Hold it. Okay, somehow.
How did he hit me?
I don't
No,
know.
like.
Hacks.
Whoa.
Wait, we're the only 2 people on blue team. It's a 2v2.
Bro,
I'm not even
how did
lying.
that
It's a
grenade not
2v2.
kill him?
Never mind. It's a 3v2 or something. They have a full team and we don't.
Yeah, 3v2.
No, there's
Like-
more than 2 on their team. I've seen like 3 people on their team.
2v3, bro. Like, what the frick? Spew my tiny dig. Ooh. Dead?
Yeah, they
Dead.
have 3. They have 3. They have 3 and we have 2. Dead.
Nice.
No, get back here now. Dead. Someone's trying to snipe me from the stocks. Someone's in the stocks. Don't worry, I got you if you do die. Both
Yo,
of them
I
dead.
hit that guy like
Both
50
of them are dead.
times.
They're both dead.
Spew my tiny symphony all up and down the city street. Trying to put my mind at ease.
You're dead.
With a grenade, my grenades never kill anyone, bro. Like, what the skibbity thwithers? He's coming from the side, right there. Dead.
Yeah, I'm just guarding this thin little passage.
Diddy. Dead. We're at.
Dead. Ricochet.
Good.
It's a gateway guarded by my ricochet. I'm losing rounds. I have 1 bullet left in my bag.
I
got
just
reloaded.
saved you.
I know, I just had to reload. I had 1 bullet left in my bag after that. Yeah, I'm just shooting random rounds so I can ricochet and guard that. Nope. Dead.
Nice.
Dead. He died by my ricochet.
Spew my tiny ditty.
Dead. Easy.
Finally, we got someone else.
Honestly, we don't even need them.
Honestly, we actually don't. Like, me and you are cooking.
Yeah, he's guarding my sight, so I can't shoot.
Cheater.
Dead. It's just a matter of 10 seconds, bro. Honestly, I'm going in full assault.
Oh, careful.
Easy.
Oh, boom. Ease, bro.
I'm just gonna charge. Easy, bro. So easy. Let me climb my stuff.
Ooh, let's go.
No.
Hardpoint Cove.
Hardpoint Cove. Honestly, do your job.
TDM, warehouse.
Do your job.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and 3, 2, 1.